If you're looking to become a truly exceptional lover and deliver the kind of intense, unforgettable orgasms that leave her trembling with pleasure, there's one powerful oral technique that stands out above the rest. Most men overlook it completely. In this guide, I'll break down exactly what it is and how to master it in 3 straightforward steps. When you apply these steps correctly during oral, you can create an explosive experience she'll crave again and again. One that builds overwhelming sensation and ends in body-shaking release. Let's jump into the 3 steps for delivering mind-blowing oral orgasms. Step 1. Prioritize comfort for both of you. Find positions that feel great and allow you to stay there without strain. Since this isn't quick, it's about sustained pleasure. A simple adjustment like placing a pillow under her hips can elevate her pelvis, giving you better access and enhancing sensations for her. Have her lie back with legs spread wide. The wider, the better for exposure and intensity. For yourself, avoid discomfort that could cut things short. Kneel with a pillow under your knees or adjust so you're at the right height, perhaps sitting on a chair if she's at the edge of the bed. Comfort is essential because quality oral requires patience and time. Step 2. Focus on a slow, teasing buildup. Women often need 10 to 20 minutes of oral stimulation to reach peak arousal, so rushing will only tire you out and reduce the payoff. Start gently and gradually increase. Begin by exploring her inner thighs with soft kisses, light licks, or gentle nibbles. These areas are highly sensitive and build delicious anticipation as you move closer. When you reach the vaginal area, continue the tease. Kiss and lick the outer folds first before direct contact. Use just the soft tip of your tongue for long, slow strokes from bottom to top, savoring the moment like a favorite treat. After a few minutes, incorporate more of your tongue for firmer pressure. Shift focus to the clitoris gradually, using the same upward motion while increasing speed and intensity bit by bit. Pay attention to what elicits the strongest responses, moans, hip movements, and maintain consistency and rhythm once you find it. Don't switch techniques too quickly. Let the pleasure layer and intensify over time. Hey, if you're finding these tips helpful so far, drop a comment below letting me know which step you're most excited to try, or share your own experiences. It helps build a community of better lovers. As she gets more aroused, louder moans, tighter muscles gripping the sheets, that's your cue for the game-changing element. Step 3. Master the start-stop technique. Instead of pushing straight through to climax when she's close, pause just before the peak to heighten everything. This edging approach makes the final release far more powerful and explosive. Watch for signs she's approaching the edge. Stronger contractions in her legs or abdomen, intensified sounds or body shifts. Stop stimulation right then. Give her about 30 seconds to cool slightly. Use that time for kisses on her thighs, neck, breasts, or whisper something arousing like how amazing she tastes or sounds. Then resume exactly where you left off, with the same rhythm and pressure. Repeat this cycle 2 or 3 times. You'll notice each buildup happens faster as arousal compounds. Only when she's at the point of desperation, perhaps begging or pulling you closer. Continue without stopping to carry her over the edge into an intense, full-body orgasm. That's the secret. The start-stop method turns good oral into something legendary, leaving her breathless and eager for more. Apply these steps with attention and care, and you'll elevate your skills to new heights. Thanks for watching. Practice safely and enjoy the results.